Catch the TV. Jesus.
For this person being calm, I want to say, we use and then so about Unia be a hair today. When we have power of Christus, and I'm so, or we have power of Christus. Bible said, whom brother in the areas and yet, yes, COVID 19, yet me cover, Nasi a kind of catch for movie with the air. Not any young, I and now sitting John Trumo, and cut Christus in the Amen. Masaba will say, but no generation can crave in a day. Now you just say, and never because when I'm soon, never be a person else to someone. With me, you salary rabble. Now, the dream one, me winning Pumasi bread. Me winning Pumasi bread. I don't know how it is going. They are not me get a what was it? They don't be a platform. Say a TV, say a radio. The other thing say, ye dying a true 40. They are exposing their false prophet. It was the TV so already so near was so forbidding. So for way free nyame. I saw the way free nyame. I saw the way I say. I saw where I say, hey, and can you say Christopher? Yes, I am no town for Christians. We are our own enemies, so we fight against ourselves. Instead of saying, "Okay, I'm some actually nipa actually akraba ahindie ni mo no." There be. Then mo me get say yegu ahindie no fi. Ahindie no I say o kan wasem. Excellent before, excellent years before the Nipa the Aba Ahini anymore. Ahini Muniaku feature Nipa. Yet two Ahini Lodi, Ama Ahini and not Corno. Amu Timono and not Corno Monsa Trembue. Anna Amos am afraid so Abamusua and not Corno is not attractive to them. So attend that you want somebody to come in. You are painting that in black to people. How can it be attractive for others to come? Instead of us to publish the religion, the Christianity, for it to be attractive for people to come in, no, we are here painting it black instead. So we have turned our church, we have turned our auditorium into something different else. And the software was on all okay, the answer. Maybe I say a software answer on another topic. So the king of some actually nipa in a mere council there be. Maybe I say software free me. And I saw the way free me, and I saw the way I say, but I can't show. Yes, Christ can say, Matthew chapter 12, verse number 25. Was it Ahinia? I didn't know who dear see you in Nina. And the Christ so much from the Brena, a Christopher now soft to the woman. As soft way is selfish, a Christopher, we are selfish, yes. And the way is soft. Nasi omuso obiswe nya adomo e opretia na wa fe nipa no type person oya no de na adom ne ba fom e di sofo wa abribia no o ka sofo from semone na kse na sofo ne nga se ono nko ala de eye obi de eye aiko ya e okay. Matthew chapter 13 verse 24 to 30. Yesu Kristo obube bi wo na obube benefa okani bi a okogu na ayu ho na ogu na ayu ni bi no obonifo iba be ku obonifo ai obonifo no only Satan no be ku obonifo ai no Bible say ebra efifi no ayu abapapa di fifi na bone no so efifi enti enkwa na mo sa ora na se ka say mira ma yen ko de kutu ababone ni free mu no ka tiro say da bi mo ma ni mo nyini ti ha ye moma ne mom nyini na se edu twabra na se ebia se mo go tu bone na firi mu a na ma tu papa ni biafra a Christopher go Christ asofo bi hu fi asofo bi kansem ni ti asofo bi a amoye papa amofiri nyame na so selfishness nti atrofo di for they are in existence even before Jesus Christ. Elijah and Elijah no must not atrofo di for Abraham and Pobeka atrofo di for one, which means they were already in existence. But yes, Christ buy no wa me point say we free nyame but adia we say obema the significance, the qualities of a good pastors and the qualities of a bad pastor. Eti obetrex say ye kwa ye befa so a ye so be a true for di for a hu but one pointing go for a good of fi. Eti so ye so for a ye say sex o members no, let them know the significance of a good pastor and the significance of a bad pastor. And Jesus Christ ka say Diana ba ane di wa bakro Diana ba ane di wa bakro enti kwa me gu obi hu fi a Christopher Christ ye kumdwa adiga ye gu so for ba hu fi ade apagya ade enti ye peti nyam so ne black ache nipa enti won TV so also program bia ba ye da 40 massa be very careful na dia na me yan say o Kristo ni sofo no ni wiasefo ate ho egu nyam so hu fi sofo ahini na opese ni papa mu na gu fi no be very careful, be very wise. Ade say say kanyam ya sem kire wo krofo no, teach them the way so kwan na mo fa so no, because nyam ya ma nimdie ni nyansa no krepe wo mi say o member na wo ti ho na wo si wo dan approve di fo akere no opon preach o preach chiri nya chine enra opo busonso enra opo ma na bi ho enra opo konfo bi ho konfo na wo bushire ne se kon kra wo nsuro no. And how much more approve di fo na obo kai no bi ja no ko onya ko e di o ye na e constant job e di section ne kwan papa no, just teach them the right way. Na wo oba one sabrosam agina ho di agro na ohun mo ti alo besuro oba one sabrosam agina ho di abambe na so ohun sabro mo ti alo besuro na no onipa na wo tunu funa ndro fu konfo na eba na ka jeso bi free na mi alo ti ko ko no enti wo di ana section ko no Yesu Kristo ka se bi ewo John chapter 21. John chapter 20, verse number 15 to 17. Only Peter Kasai, we said Peter Odom was already done. Was out of media. Yenina. Or said we said Peter Odom was a bit was out of media. Shemina. Or said we said the empress so Peter Odom was already done was Yenina. As a pastor, the word pastor was derived from a Greek word, a pasture. And as a pastor, what you say, obey me, what you know, the castle, oh, ye be so. Now, yes, you blood trouble say, their welfare, said you be a pano ye, dear mom, Shebel, who only now, and that's off also. Eti, so no, and then pie on Quaba, your vampire, there be, and in the mess of one, you have to balance the gospel. The gospel needs to be balanced. Eti, obi ka se bi tire o se o kraman so hwe yi a o kraman antiviro say if you know how to feed the dog well on ka bonti go didi e se woni wo ba as a pastor woni wo ba wo na se o feed ni yi a ene easy do asode for ho ibe ko but se o feed ni yi o ma ni nyame asem no you feed them with the word of God, you balance the diet and bible home nyame asem ka wo bibia and come se ni na frafra eboa menipa no onyini wo nyamso mu yie nyamso na yeso no ese football pitch and a football park se ora park ni so a nipa ebregu so e free prayers but you will team A, team B. Team B are no agent no asore baako. Saa one team no. Ade a why say I'm a striker, I'm a goalkeeper, I'm a defender, I'm a central midfielder, and sana I'm a friends and coach. And the Opa Kisosumua and the football park in the down. And your people with the same aim, I want you BB, but obey proposition and to overshadow them one. We have various positions that you have to pray. And the answer obe your D4, obe evangelist, obe teacher, obe apostle, no be a pastor. The fivefold ministry, as a down the one was on them, but no, it's not here. And he was one demo, I saw that back on the me evangelist, say Musa Obianya, no matter there, nothing upon them, a year to more so, what Timishan come on, never leave Reno, hypocrisy. The church. Me a pastor, Obianya Matadie, or Timisayari, or Yaya Sado, never libre no. I said, sir, I do not in a man kind pretty. And the air pretty no, I don't know, I saw him in a sort of so, and no, now they feed us on the man, and I'm not the way feed, and sir president. I'm no more. You were ministers. Your Minister of Finance, Minister of Health, Minister of Agriculture, Minister of Kwawani, I want you to know Juma for the welfare of the citizens. And the Minister of where I said, many Majuma Sumusi we are, a better day, Nakosu. So I'm going to say, and so for what you said, any part of my own fasu, let them know they have wisdom, they have knowledge, let them think of themselves. Nature said, oh, who are in the movie? Who preaches software, tear software? Oh, true. Oh, true. Yeah, see a Kunyam movie, no, and yet Bible are here and dear see no, in Yina. And the air are software, yes, and Pacafo, yea, you don't see a Kenyan Yassamo, yea, Nayama, and Nipa be and be muscle because you are painting as on the black. Debiano, ye we no so for myself on the Yanka. Ye we no so for myself. But so for penny, the apostle general college of Cassidy was in one cassa Ujina Wana, was so one or be free Namino, one as they saw also Christian Munimo. You're not a lawyer. You're not a lawyer. Say, Casamafa, law one, which will be who are one question you, who are also there, who won't get them so, Christian Canon, wouldn't need more sem. Wouldn't you want him? And the Casamafa, in someone, what do you okay say? Who are also what say will be a whole free Christian, who Christian wouldn't know. Let's be wise Christians. Ye, why you movie? Casampano, Sexually Pano, let them know the significance, let them know the qualities of a good pastor. Bible said, Diana Ba and a I will salute my apostle General College. Mr. Lutu maybe our or Mapaim Atum or pretty. And you must have much a young original, a year Juma, or living life. Abba, then they live like a person of frontiers here. I saw reading a short years. I saw a put a name and frontiers here. Penino, the apostle, a year apostle here college now. Now, go on the swap, or there's a Bible. When you're selfish, one must have an AC or Martin so. One map must have no obey pretty the gifts that God has planted in them. And they must have a 2 pound as of a nini, but when there be as of no, so for no builders in so be you D4. And I'm ye, and I'm ye. I feel that ye business of war. Funtu from the temple. Funtum for the children. And when it was I'm your friend, our person, dear, no, selfishness. So what do you say? Oh, Chiaka, me, I'm my use. Now, I'm going to check on a crack of my use. Daintiness, I'll be saying selfishness, hypocrites. Yankas and panic telepan in here. Yanks and Nippon, Bible Bible said, you shall know the truth, and the truth shall set you free. You shall know the truth, and that truth shall set you free. Very simple. Then you see a painter for black, yes, and it was a elder, no say deacon, or a deacon, no say elder, or a way, no say way, obey Java, and a picture way. As soon as I want to shoot the swagger also. So we can't operate the same. And they say, who you should be, number you should be free now. We can't operate the same way. And I'm not telling you where the man operating the gift, you know, at times, background, like I'm nipping suban to be careful. And you should know how to judge people. When you are in a movie, this I don't care. One thing I'm saying is share me. But the source of video I like it. No comment, no share. So I say, once I come more videos, subscribe to my YouTube channel, KFC TV. And I say, Oko Facebook, my page, KFC TV. Ufula, on Sabeka, more videos. Mediane, KFC. And I say, brother Asamoah Frimpong. Brother Asamoah Frimpong. Living Life, Pentecostal Ministries. Living Life, Pentecostal Ministries. Please don't tell me so. And we'll see brother share you. Peace. Shalom.